2m minus n given the matrix. Remember that this is addition and subtraction of matrix. Okay, let's solve the question. The right solution. Since they asked to find 2m minus n, given the m here, this is the n here, then we are going to find 2m. 2m is equals to, this is m. We multiply anything inside the m as by saying this is 2 times 2, 1, 3, 4. Anything inside the m, we multiply it by 2 so that we can find 2m. 2 times 2 here we have, this is equals to 4. This is 2 times 1, this is 2. 2 times 3, 6. 2 times 4, this is 8. Let's find 2m minus n. 2m minus n is equals to, that is 2m. This is the 2m as 4, 2, 6, 8. That is minus n. N is minus 1, minus 2, 2, minus 4. Then we can solve it now. Now we have 4 minus minus 1. When 2 minus collide, then we can multiply the minus times minus will be plus. This is equals to 4 minus minus 1. Here the minus will turn to plus. 4 plus 1, this is equals to 5. That is 6 minus 2. Here will be 4. That is, here we have 2 minus minus 2. The minus will collide, will turn to 4. That is 8 minus minus 4. The minus collides, here will be, that is, here will be 12. 8 plus 12 is 8 plus 4 is equals to 12. That is 2m minus n. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe for our channel for more videos.